Test 1. Here I'm checking whether the menu music is played in a loop when the player is in the start scene. Test 2. Here I'm checking whether the inside music is played in a loop when the player is in the inside scene. Test 3. Here I'm checking whether the outside music is played in a loop when the player is in the outside scene. Test 4. Here I'm checking whether the pause menu can be accessed by pressing the escape key. Test 5. Here I'm checking whether the player can return back to their game by clicking return in the pause menu. Test 6. Here I'm checking whether the player can save their game by clicking save in the pause menu. Test 7. Here I'm checking whether the player can return to the opening screen by clicking exit in the pause menu. Test 8. Here I'm checking whether the player can load their game by clicking load in the main menu. Test 9. Here I'm checking whether the player can start a new game by clicking new in the main menu.